Hi guys, thank you all for tuning into Big Mama Story Time. Story Time! Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment to my page. Here we go. Hi guys, thank you all for tuning into Big Mama Story Time on today. Today I will be reading to you guys a self-published book named Sheshe's Soulful Kitchen Cooking with Grandma by Shakima Funchess. All right. I just want to tell you a little bit about the author. Okay, this is a self-published book. She's been self-publishing since February 2023 and so far have released 12 books. She have 12 more that she wants to release, but she is kind of looking for some funding. You can look at her website, Sketches by Shaq. I will be leaving the description. I will be leaving her website in the description box. This is a review. I am not going to let you guys know what I think of the book. I will just be reading the book, but I do want you all honest opinions as such as she do. Want your honest opinion of what you think of the book. And I will leave the description box of where you can go and find the book and purchase the book, okay? All right, guys, let's get into this. Sheshe's Soulful Kitchen Cooking with Grandma by Shakima Funchess. All right, let's get into this. Love served generously. A tribute to the matriarchs of nourishment, this book is in honor of grandmother and her daughters and their daughters, whose unwavering love united several families in love and the food they created. Patty, Rosanna, Lula, Edna R., Clotilde, Asley, Dezulia, Bertha, which is half of my name because my name is Lou Bertha. Mary Agnes, Linda T., Edna, Marie, Mary Esther, Linda J., Gladys, Donetta, Gwendolyn, Sevilla, Drusilla, Willie Mae, Sheila, Sonia, Nisha, Chant, Andrea, Veronica, and Lawana. All right. Oh, that's nice. Love the dedication. There lived a little girl named Sheshe. She loved to eat. That was no surprise. But her favorite food was a soulful surprise. When she was little, it was the food her grandmother would make from recipes passed down with love. Make no mistake. Collard greens, cornbread, and mac and cheese, fried chicken, yams, and black-eyed peas. Sheshe's grandma, Asley, was a master in the kitchen. With each dish, there was love and affection. She taught Sheshe the recipes and the tricks, so she too could make soul food that sticks. Go ahead, Grandma. One day, Sheshe decided to have a feast. She invited her friends. It would be a treat. She cooked up a storm with all her might, and the smells of the food filled the air that night. Her friends arrived with their bellies empty, but when they saw the spread, there was plenty. Fried chicken, collard greens, and mac and cheese. There lived a little girl named Sheshe. She loved to eat, that was no surprise. But her favorite food was a soulful surprise. When she was little, it was the food her grandma would make. From recipes passed down with love, make no mistake. Collard greens, cornbread, and mac and cheese. Fried chicken, yams, and black-eyed peas. Sheshe's grandma, Asley, was a master in the kitchen. With each dish, there was love and affection. She taught Sheshe the recipes and the tricks, so she too could make soul food that sticks. One day, Sheshe decided to have a feast. She invited her friends. It would be a treat. She cooked up a storm with all her might, and the smells of the food filled the air that night. Her friends arrived with their bellies empty, but when they saw the spread, there was plenty. Fried chicken, collard greens, and mac and cheese, cornbread, yams, and black-eyed peas. Sounds so good, making me over here hungry. They ate until they could eat no more, and then they asked for recipes galore. Sheshe shared with pride the secrets of the trade, and her friends were amazed at all the food they had made. From that day on, Sheshe's soul food was famous. Her friends would come over and the food was outrageous. She had learned from her grandma, the master of soul, and now she shared it with others. It was her goal. Go ahead, Sheshe. Go ahead, Sheshe. So if you're ever hungry for something hearty and warm, look no further than soul food. It will transform your taste buds, your heart, and your soul. And you'll understand why it's food that makes us whole. I know that's right. Why is soul food so important? Let's see. In echoes of old ancestral lore, a gift emerges forevermore. From depths of time it gently calls, a feast of nourishment our souls enthralls. Soul food, a treasure passed down with grace, born on the whispers of a distant place. Rooted in heritage, rich and profound, a taste of history, forever renowned. Go ahead, poet. In pots and pans, seasoned love is found, a symphony of flavors, profound and profound. With each savory bite, a story unfolds, resilience and strength, the tale it beholds. From cornbread's warmth to collard's embrace, the taste of tradition forever in space. Gumbo's rhythm dances on our tongues, jambalaya's melody where memories are strung. Look at her looking kind of cross-eyed. That's how you know it's good. Oh, the aroma that fills the air as spices intertwine, a legacy to share. Through fried chicken's golden, crispy skin, our ancestors' whispers a sweet hymn. Sweet potato pie, a slice of solace, as love and sweetness melt upon our palate surface. And as we savor, we're bound together, a celebration of roots, no matter the weather. I know that's right. Soul food, a gift from those who came before. Their presence lingers forevermore. In each bite, a taste of their sacrifice, and homage to their spirit, a delicious vice. So let us gather hand in hand and honor the past across the land. With every meal, let gratitude rise for soul food, a blessing from the ancestors' lives. I know that's right. The end. All right, guys. That was Sheshe's Soul Food Kitchen, Cooking with Grandma by Shakima Funches. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my page. Also, guys, don't forget to leave a review, leave a comment for the review of this book. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, what you like about it. And also in the description, if you want, I will leave, if you want to buy or purchase, I will leave the link to the book or to all of the other books where you can purchase her books. All right, guys. Be supportive. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.